Good morning. You're listening to Sumaya Ansari, your news anchor from Lavafara Media. Here we bring you latest updated news from around the world. News of 12th July 2020 are as follows. The number of coronavirus patients is increasing day by day all over the world, including India. According to the reports of a Hyderabad hospital, if the people have these symptoms, it is difficult to treat them or to diagnose them. New symptoms of coronavirus includes itchy eyes, nausea and diarrhea. Other symptoms are sore throats, muscle aches, headaches, breathing problems, etc. According to the doctor, if you have these symptoms, then immediately seek help from a doctor. People who show new symptoms along with old symptoms like cold, cough, fever should be careful as the virus can adapt according to the environment and by these symptoms are also changed. No need to take tension. Now corona patients can be treated at home. According to the guidelines, a symptomatic patient without symptoms and patients with mild symptoms of virus will be free in 5 to 7 days. In the guidelines issued on June 5, they are to be discharged on the 10th day without any investigation if they do not have trouble breathing during this time and everything is normal. Corona patients without symptoms can be isolated and kept at home to provide treatment, keeping in mind the dwelling resources due to increasing number of corona patients. The central government and the Indian Council for Medical Research (ICMR) have issued new guidelines to all states. This will reduce unnecessary stress in hospitals. Serious patients will be better treated in existing resources. Keep your Aadhaar ready to buy 2 coronavirus medicines. New Delhi. Amid the ongoing coronavirus crisis, black marketing of mask sanitizers, coronavirus drugs has increased and people have complained about the same. Maharashtra Home Minister Anil Deshmukh recently held a meeting with FDA officials and Mumbai police officials regarding the shortage of remdesivir and tocilizumab drugs in the state during the corona pandemic. The Home Minister said that strict actions will be taken against black marketers. Also, FDA Minister of Maharashtra Rajendra Singh Ji recently conducted surprise checks in Mumbai after receiving complaints about the shortage and black marketing of remdesivir and tocilizumab. Now, people will need Aadhaar card and several other documents to buy these 2 drugs in Maharashtra. As per a TOI report, the Maharashtra Food and Drug Administration issued a circular on Friday which made it mandatory for the kin of patients to produce Aadhaar card details, doctor's prescription, consent form, a COVID positive report and contact details for the purchase of the antiviral drug remdesivir and anti-inflammatory medicine tocilizumab. It may be noted that the regulatory authority is already investigating if hospitals are hoarding the drugs after procuring these directly from the manufacturers. That's all for today. I, Sumaya Ansari, will come with new updates tomorrow. Stay tuned with us. Have a great day ahead. Thank you.